Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hasbunallahu ni'mal wakil, ni'mal mawla wa ni'mal nasir. I'm thrilled to welcome all to this demonstration. I do appreciate your presence, your dedication over the years, and unwavering support to restore democracy and human rights in Bangladesh. We still remain in dark about what is happening in our President Palace. Chuppu simply cannot be trusted. He is evidently an Indian agent and serving Indian interests rather than those of Bangladesh. There is no transparency regarding 600 criminal individuals reportedly sheltered by General Waqar. Even their identities still remain undisclosed. Neither the people of Bangladesh nor the courts have been informed. Justice continues to be denied. Despite military deployment with magistracy power, our law and order situation in Bangladesh is still far from satisfactory. Our streets, our towns are still unsafe. This is because General Waqar deliberately obstructed action against army fascists and terrorists, and refusing his junior officers and soldiers to take decisive action against those fascists and terrorists and restore security across the country. Evidences have been destructed of the House of Mirror, the torture cells, and time bombs been planted there. And definitely General Waqar had played important role with a clear intent to kill someone. We want to know, who did you target to kill? Who is your target? General Waqar must answer all of these questions. I urge our law enforcement agencies, including DGFI, paddling in political affairs is none of your business. So stop meddling and engaging in unauthorized interference in our politics and pandering to Chuppu, and stop implementing Indian agendas and narratives in Bangladesh. Chuppu and Waqar, both of them are Indian agents. Simply they cannot be trusted. Step down, Waqar, step down. Step down, Chuppu, step down. Thank you all. Long live Bangladesh.